We are Trinity Valley Community College.
We are diverse.
We are students, but we are also athletes.
We are unapologetically ourselves.
We are Black,
White,
Hispanic,
Dominicano,
brasileiros.
We are gay.
Straight.
non-binary.
We are trans.
We are individual, but
we stand united.
Estamos aquí para ponerle fin al racismo sistemático.
We stand to end abuse of authorities.
We stand to end social injustices.
We stand to end gender inequalities.
We stand with the LGBTQ community.
Nós apoiamos a comunidade negra.
We stand with the oppressed.
We stand together.
And we stand united.
We feel your overwhelming and continuous support here.
Here.
Here. Here.
Here.
Here.
Here.
So we ask you to continue to support us in the same way here.
The same way here.
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 Please don't allow a jersey to deter you from the people we are once we take them off.
We are more than a jersey we put on.
We are more than the color of our skin.
We are more than the people that we are attracted to.
Eu sou mais do que a barreira do idioma entre nós.
we are more than the label you assign us.
We are human. This is humanity we're talking about, not just a hashtag.
We come together today and every day.
To be more understanding.
Ser más compasivo.
To be more open-minded.
To create new beginnings.
So that future generations
Know what it's like to have a voice.
But we cannot do it alone, and
We have to start now. We choose to be educated.
We choose to do better.
We choose to incite change.
Elegimos comunicarnos.
we choose to listen better.
we choose to love more.
We choose to stand up for each other.
We choose to stand together.
We choose to stand united.
We are TVCC.
And we are more than our jerseys.